It is as simple as setting the trap and waiting to witness the tail of the tape. When Daddy calls,
Sa buhay naman, kailangan lang magtitiwala para matuto.
sometimes coming in second is the only way to win.
Si daddy dyan, meron.
Good morning, sunshine.
Ayan naman eh, kasi nung manang ako, ang dami-dami yung sinasabi, ngayon
Happy April Fools.
Yan, ganyan.
After the 100th time, Jimmy finally figured it out. The dog figured it out the first time. He's just smarter than Jimmy.
Oh my goodness. Come.
Ayan naman eh, kasi nung manang ako, ang dami-dami yung sinasabi, ngayon nagdamit ako ng ganito, may parinig pa din. Ba't ba ako nalang palagi yung target? Reminder ha, tawa ko, ha? Hindi ako dartboard, so yes, I have feelings.
Was her first time babysitting.
Na-realize ko,
Pwede.
Ayan naman eh, kasi nung manang ako, ang dami-dami yung sinasabi, ngayon